Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Kelebogile Foko, the founder of Kele Foko, an image coaching company based in Johannesburg, South Africa. Our company offers the following services: image consultancy, wardrobe styling, makeup, and we also have a clothing brand. Makeup is the exciting part because this is where I get to invite some of my friends in the industry. These are makeup artists to the stars and celebrities. The clothing brand is called Kele Foko. How this came about: with almost a decade in the industry, I would struggle getting clothes from stores for my clients or for my shoots. Therefore, I decided to establish Kele Foko to cater for different women body shape to boost their confidence.